Oh, great. It has been long and successful journey. I think IITs are the best places for independent research and ideal to do your ideas and convert them into a good scientific research. In spite of the several vices which are usual in many government, public limited or autonomous bodies. Yes, very much satisfied with my work with 27 years, 27 PhDs, more than 125 masters and BTechs, several industrial projects, national and international, lots of interaction with the industry which finally helped to bring the students, my PhD students, with lots of theoretical and practical knowledge. Yes, I think I would have done a bit more. As far as my own research work is concerned, I have created a nice research environment. At one time I was having 15 students, 15 PhD students working for me, and it was really challenging job to create a proper research environment to get an output which is in the form of new products and the new research. Yes, I have a regret that as far as administrative work is concerned, I never got a very good chance except for a brief tenure at IIT Indore where I was Deputy Director, and in the short period I tried to do something which can be remembered in the history of IIT Indore activities. Although the whole life which I had at IIT was quite successful, however, there are something which I feel if it would have been there, perhaps I would have done much better than what I have done today. I really wished I should have worked under a genius, a philosopher who should have in-depth knowledge of the science and technology, and he should motivate faculty to create something new. And this is something which I found that my approach of doing things was much superior, to the point, and designed for the output or the work assigned to me. What I found, many places in IIT, the job is assigned to the people with no focus or on the goal for which they are appointed. And that is one of the biggest drawback I feel of a autonomous body where you still are unable to know why we are there in this kind of institutes. Yes, I think I am very happy on that front. In spite of the fact that I had no administrative position in IIT, but I could create my independent administration, a suitable research environment for my students, a suitable environment with industry, input from which helped a lot to my students. When I just try to think about the 27 PhDs I have done, and if I want to rate whether this work is really good, bad or excellent, then I feel that out of 27 PhDs, 18 to 20 come in the grade A. So this very clearly shows that one has to create an environment which is suitable to bring new research, new motivation to students, and I am quite satisfied on that front. I have several other achievements than the pure academic work at IIT Bombay. My first category of achievement is working for several professional bodies. I started with the SIAST, which is the Society for Electrochemical Research Institute. I initiated NACE International and then started my own body, Society for Surface Protective Coating India, which in the last 13 years has created its own office with lots of training programs, courses, annual conferences and so on and so forth. My international activities are even more stronger than that, with almost 9 international projects which gave lots of chance to visit abroad, look for various kinds of cultures at various countries. That helped a lot. And one of the most prestigious fellowship, like Humboldt Foundation of Germany, back home, I had created a new heights into the Humboldt Foundation, where we have created a club which is the most active club in India, with lots of other activities done into that. Real extracurricular activities like a NGO, I have been very active as a Rotary chairman. I am a Rotary member and was president for Rotary Club of India from 6 to 7. To sum up, in addition to the academic activities, I am quite active in non-academic activities which create an impact into the society.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Yeah, that's a big question, and that is a question which everybody worries when he gets retired, and that's what I'm going to do now. I'm basically not worried about that, because with my lots of industrial experience, I really find that I must use that industrial experience at IIT to create a independent laboratory, consultancy place and training activity, so that lots of the people from industry who are unable to enter IITs, we can serve them and give that kind of education in corrosion and surface engineering in a much better way. So in the end, I will just say that people ask, what will you do with the superannuation money you get? For last 2 years I was thinking, I have a nice place to live, my kids are already nicely placed, so what I will do with this money? So I really thought a lot about this thing, and finally I thought that I must use my superannuation money for the upliftment of the subject on which I have worked for the last 40 years. By this way, I will be able to give something back to my young researchers, as well as bring something new to the society. And the final slide is now in front of you, which tells you how I am going to use my superannuation money.